Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a Dollar Tree DIY for you guys, but I'm a little bit bummed out because I spent all day yesterday filming 2 different Dollar Tree DIYs, and I put the SD card into my computer and all of the files were corrupt. So yeah, so I don't have any footage of me putting these together, but I have put something together that hopefully is going to be helpful for you. So if you're interested in seeing these Dollar Tree DIYs that I put together, go ahead and stick around for this video. So I just started with this pre-made Dollar Tree Garland sign. Now it came with the H-A-P-P and the Y, and then it came with the H-A-L-L-O-W-E-E-N. Everything else was added by me, and the first thing that I did was I actually took these letters off of the original string that they had. They had it on just a really cheap like black ribbon, and so you can see I added the twine just to give it a little bit of a funner, more farmhouse look. And so I did that for the entire thing here. The next thing that I did after that was I went ahead and I added googly eyes to all of these little characters that were already placed on the letters. I think that it added so much to it. The little cutouts looked kind of cheap beforehand, so by adding in the little googly eyes, I think it gave the little characters some personality, especially the spider because I gave it the big eyes. But so I went ahead and I did that, but the main thing that I was excited to do to this garland was add the pom-poms. Now I actually have the little contraption thing that makes the pom-poms, and if you have one of those, that's great. If you don't, I will go ahead and link that down in the description box if you're interested in buying one of those little contraptions. They're pretty fun to do. Making pom-poms is definitely time consuming, but as you can see right here, it's definitely worth it. So I went ahead and I created some orange pom-poms, some white pom-poms, and some black pom-poms, and I just alternated the colors on each one. I think it gives it just that pop that it needs to take it from looking kind of like a cheap Dollar Tree decoration to more of a Hobby Lobby or something like that. So I definitely love the way that it turned out. Again, you guys, I am so sorry that I lost all the footage of me making this. I'll definitely give you a little bit of a showing. I'll try to put something together, but really bummed out that I lost the footage on that. But I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and that it made sense without me just completely showing it to you. And I just think that I mean, you can't even tell, you guys, that this came from Dollar Tree. I think it looks amazing. So the next DIY that I did was I just took these eyeballs that they sell at the Dollar Tree. They're actually in the ornament pack, and you guys, I think that these are so underrated. Like, I think these are an amazing product that Dollar Tree puts out, and I just don't see them utilized a whole lot. And like I said, I just think that they're totally amazing. When I made this, my husband actually said, "You made that?" And I was like, yeah, and it was so easy because he just thought it was so cool. So you can see here, I just took those bulbs from the ornaments and I took the little top off, and I literally just stuck the lights down in there, you guys, and made a like light garland out of it. It was really easy. You can see I added in some decorative ribbon at the top here. Also just super easy. I just took some hot glue and wrapped it around the top. Honestly, it looked pretty okay without that around it, but I think it just added something to it. I did use the lights that they sell. The ones that I used had the little jack-o'-lanterns on it. They are the battery operated LED lights, and it comes with 10 lights. So I actually used 4 packs of the eyeballs, and in each pack there's only 2 eyeballs. So I had to add in a black one on each end just to make it look full. But I love the way that it turned out. Of course it is daytime, but I will go ahead and turn them on. You can tell a little bit of a difference there. I think that they look so good. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put them yet, So you guys let me know in the comment section below what would be a really good place for me to put these. I do already have my mantle kind of decorated, and this is just the little tray that sits on my coffee table. And I don't know, I'm not sure if they belong in this little tray here on my coffee table, but I think they look so adorable, and especially lit up. How cute are these? So again, I'm so sorry I lost the footage for this DIY, but it's pretty simple. Hopefully it made sense. If you do have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section. So yeah, again, I hope those made sense. I'm so sorry. Technology sometimes fails us, but I literally spent all day yesterday filming, and at the end of the day, when I put that SD card in and all those files were corrupt, it crushed me. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a whole day wasted. But I did still get the really cute Dollar Tree DIYs out of the deal. So obviously it's not my normal tutorial, so if you guys have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to clear up any instructions or anything like that that I may have left out. But I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope you're able to go out to your Dollar Tree, you're able to find these supplies, and that you're able to do these Dollar Tree DIYs. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!